Hi guys, I came outside to do some decorating and well, just started raining. So it looks like I am gonna have to temporarily put my decorating on hold. And what's weird is, yeah, it's technically this is called raining sunshine. Where it's, well, I can't decorate. It's raining and the box is getting wet. I was barely lucky enough to get the lid back on because I want my lanterns to get wet. Oh boy. So much for decorating. At least for now. Try again later. Maybe. Unless it's starting to... Wait, hold on. Sounds like it's starting to slow down. Nope. It is not slowing down. It's my imagination. Okay, since I can't decorate at the moment, I will have to do... I'm being mocked by the weather. The weather's mocking me. And I better go check the mailbox now that's finally stopped raining. So I will catch you guys later. So subscribe if you're new. Ping notification bell so you don't miss out when I upload new content. That's that when random stuff happens I wasn't expecting. And I will see you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks.